Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yeast rolls like Texas Roadhouse. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of warm milk, ensuring it's between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate your yeast. Also, have 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and 3 to 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour ready to go. These are the foundational elements for truly delicious rolls. Next, in a large bowl, combine your warm milk, sugar, and active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy, indicating the yeast is active. Then, gradually add the flour, salt, and softened butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for the roll's texture. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm place for 1 to 1 1/2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Roll it out onto a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a sharp knife or pizza cutter to cut the dough into 2-inch squares, then arrange them on a baking sheet. Now, let your shaped rolls have a second rise for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing them to puff up nicely. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Brush with melted butter immediately after baking for that signature shine and flavor. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade Texas Roadhouse-style yeast rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.